Looking for a ductless mini-split AC installation company in Fort Worth, Texas? Smart choice! Accept nothing less than the best Fort Worth ductless mini-split HVAC contractor. Why? Because a lot can go wrong in the hands of an inexperienced ductless installer. The first and most important step is to hire an HVAC contractor with Ductless Credentials. First choice Air Solutions is a Mitsubishi Ductless Pro Contractor. Save money, save energy, and increase your home comfort with a Mitsubishi mini-split air conditioner. First Choice Air Solutions has trained and certified mini-split installation experts that will match the right unit to your needs, ensure proper product placement, and provide a professional mini-split installation. First Choice Air Solutions can solve your comfort problems. It's easy to add AC to one room, one area, or the whole house with a Mitsubishi single or multi-zone system. The most important day of your ductless mini-split air conditioner is the day it gets installed. Who will you turn to? The experts at First Choice Air Solutions, of course. They're a Mitsubishi Ductless Pro Contractor, NATE certified, and BBB A+ rated contractor serving Fort Worth, Texas. Call 817-888-5300 today.